Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to keep your background image fixed while scrolling in WordPress. This trick gives your website a professional, modern feel, and it's super simple to set up. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, your background images will stay perfectly in place no matter how much you scroll. First, let's log into your WordPress account. Head to your website and click Login in the top right corner. For a faster login, you can select Continue with Google. This will let you sign in quickly without typing your password. Next, choose the Google account that has editing privileges for your website. Make sure it's the one that can access and edit your site, otherwise we won't be able to make changes. Access the site editor. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, click Edit Site in the Quick Links section. This opens up the WordPress site editor where all the magic happens. Open Style Settings. Now, let's head to the Style settings. Look for the Style icon in the top right corner and click it. From the menu, navigate to the Background section. This is where you control how your background image behaves. Enable. Fix background. Here's the key step. Click on your current background image. You'll see a toggle labeled Fix Background. Turn this on. Once enabled, your background image will stay locked in place while you scroll through your page. You can now preview your site and see how smooth it looks. Your image won't move even as you scroll down the content. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've made your WordPress background image fixed, giving your website a sleek, professional look. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future WordPress tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.